Hi everybody, this is Jonathan Jameson with Mortgage Specialist, and I am bringing you your Mortgage Matters in Minutes live today. Today's topic is something that's very current as far as what everyone thinks of interest rates and why they are the way they are. So, a little bit about how these mortgage loans earn money. I think everybody's pretty aware that your interest rate is how the end investor, being Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Wall Street, how those people get paid is through your monthly payments on your mortgage. What you might not know is that when they buy those mortgage loans, they're actually paying over what the loan amount is. So say on a $500,000 loan amount, they're buying those loans for $510,000, $515,000. So in order for them to make money, that loan needs to be paid on for, let's say, 2 or 3 years. So what's happening right now is that these investors are somewhat worried that these loans that we are making today may get paid off, let's say, within the next 12 months. Well, that's not enough time for those investors to recoup that $10,000 or $15,000 that they spent to buy this loan. This says a lot to us in the mortgage industry and as far as mortgage rates go. So because they are rising the rates, that tells us that they expect these mortgage loans to be paid off quickly. And a reason that would be is that the mortgage interest rates would come down and they would refinance, which may not seem obvious, but that's the easiest way to say it, is that they don't expect everybody to all sell their houses at the same time. It's mainly just for the refinance piece. So what that tells us is that they are expecting a short loan lifespan and also possibly a mild recession. And that might sound scary, but for mortgage rates, that's a good thing. As we say many times, the mortgage rates are not directly tied to the Fed rate. They're different things. However, mortgage rates are tied to inflation. So even if the Fed raises rates 100 times, as long as inflation comes down and becomes controlled and not so outrageous, we can expect the mortgage rates to come down as well. Maybe not as far as 2%, but a reasonable 4 to 5% like we saw earlier this year, maybe even sub 4, but maybe not as low as 4. So for us, we think this is a great sign for our industry, so that, and what we would advise is that if you're planning to make a move, because the interest rates coming down is a good thing for affordability. We still think buying now is a good idea, because we do not expect what a lot of people that we hear of are waiting for a crash to buy a home. We don't necessarily see a crash on the horizon. While interest rates may go down, we see properties at the minimum staying flat. But most likely still somewhat appreciating, maybe not at this level that they are now, but for sure we don't see those property values taking a dive. So we think buying currently in this market still is a good idea, and we would advise whoever is buying that home to get whatever interest rate you can, and then hopefully in the next 12 months, maybe 24 months, we would look to refinance at a lower rate. But we wanted to kind of shed some light on what is going on right now with the interest rates, and make sure that everybody is aware that this isn't a doom and gloom type of situation. This actually is probably going to be a good situation for people that are buying now, but are not super happy about the interest rate. Bear with us and make sure that you're still making a good financial decision overall. But keep in mind that these rates may go down, and so we may have an opportunity to get you a lower rate in the future. If you like this content, please like us on Instagram, Facebook. Also, if you need any assistance with any information on loans, Give us a call here at Mortgage Specialist, 402-991-5153, or you can visit our website, www.mtg-specialist.com. There's a lot more information about the whole lending process. There's a lot of topics about blogs. We have a lot of blogs on the website, videos, anything that you might need. Just please reach out to us and we would love to help. Again, this is Jonathan Jameson with Mortgage Specialist, and we appreciate you tuning in to this Mortgage Matters in Minutes Live, and we hope you have a great rest of the week. Thank you.
Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.